Hey everyone, now that spring is finally here after like 10,000 years, because in NYC it wants to be winter through spring. Now that spring is finally here, like this week, it's like finally here. I created a pink lemonade look to springify ourselves. So if you want to know how to get this look, just keep watching. We're going to start off priming our lids as usual. As you know, I use concealer, and after I blend it out, I set it with setting powder. The palette I am using today is the NYX Ultimate Bright Shadow Palette. So we're going to use that rusty orange color. It's the last color on the first row. This color is going to be our transition shade. So apply it to your crease and blend it a little bit above. Taking the bright pink shade, which is the second color on the first row, we're going to pack it onto the inner portion of our lid and the outer portion of our lid, leaving a gap in between both pinks on both sides. What we're doing is creating a halo eyeshadow look. After this, taking the last shade in the palette, that bright yellow, that is what we're going to use in that gap in the middle. We're going to pack it on, and we're also going to blend it on the edges into the pink. With the blending brush, I'm just dusting off the fallout. After I'm done packing it on, all I'm going to do is go back with that blending brush and just buff out the top edges just to make everything blended out more. I went back to the pink just to extend the outer corner, and then I just touch up the inner portion of the lid, and then I just re-blend it out again. Now taking that same pink we used on the top lid, we're just going to apply it to our bottom lid on the outer portion of the bottom lid, and make sure you connect it to the part on top, and then we're going to apply it to the inner portion of our bottom lid. Now taking that same yellow, we're going to apply it in between, in that gap we left. We're doing the same effect we did on top on our bottom lid. Taking a nude shade, I'm applying it to my brow bone, going back and forth, blending it into the edge of our halo eye to diffuse any harsh edges on the bold colors. Just take a gold highlighter and highlight the inner corner of your eye. Then I'm just going to diffuse it a little, just so it could be a little more subtle. Now tight line with a black liner, and then after this, we're going to apply a white eyeliner on our waterline. Now the next part is optional. I have curled lashes, but I like them to be a little more lifted, so I curl them, and then I'm going to apply a mascara to our top and bottom lashes. At this point of the video, I am already contoured, but just to put a little color into my cheeks, I'm going to take my bronzer and just apply it lightly as blush. To highlight my face, I'm using that same gold highlighter I used on the inner corner of our eyes. The gold I'm using is the Too Faced Pure Gold Loose Powder. And it's not just good as a highlighter, but it is an amazing eyeshadow as well. You can use this for any type of gold look you want to create. Now, taking a dark berry color, I am going to line my lips, but I am going to blend it out with my finger, and I'm also going to make a line down the middle of my bottom lip just to make it look a little more plumped, and I'm going to blend that out as well. When I apply it to the top, I am also going to color in the inner corners of my lips, and I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom. And as you see, I just keep blending it out with my finger. After we blend out everything on our lips, we're just going to apply a gold lip gloss. And then after this, the look is complete. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.